Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix not working on your Samsung TV. So I have a variety of different solutions that you can try out for yourself. Starting off with the first one is to actually unplug and replug your TV back in. So that's pretty straightforward, guys, but the one thing that people often don't do is that once you unplug your Samsung TV, you want to make sure that you unplug it for at least a minute, okay? So this is gonna be a soft reset and then you replug in back your TV. You'll be amazed at how this works wonders and how many people often don't do it, okay? But this is such a good way to try to fix a lot of variety of different problems that people have with their Samsung TVs. Now, the next thing that you can do is that you can delete your Netflix app and then reinstall it. So the way to do that is that if you go on your apps button right over here, your Samsung TV might look different from mine depending on what model of TV that you have. But from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way up to where it says settings. And then you want to find the Netflix app, okay? So here we have the Netflix app. If we scroll all the way to the right and then click on delete. So once you delete the Netflix app, you're just going to go onto the same page and then you're going to reinstall the Netflix app. And once you do, you'll be able to relog back in and then see if it works that way. Now, the third thing that you can do is that on your Samsung TV, you can go into the settings tab. So if we go into the home page and then click on the settings tab here. So settings for me is all the way on the left-hand side here. But from here, what we're going to do is that we're looking for the factory reset button. So it might be under, I believe, general. And so if we scroll down, you'll see that there's a reset button under the general tab. So notice how it says all the settings will return to factory defaults. By doing a factory reset on your TV, that might be able to get your Netflix account working. But keep in mind, you might need to relog back into Netflix still. Next, what you can do is that you could also upgrade your firmware. So the way to do this is that you're still going to go in the general settings tab, and then right beneath the general settings tab, you want to click on support, and then from here you want to click on software update. So in most cases, people's Samsung's TV is set to auto update, which means that as soon as they turn off their TV and there's a new update, their Samsung TV will automatically update. But in a few cases, updating the firmware of your TV might help you to get your Netflix to work. So right now, I've covered 4 different solutions in order to try and get your Netflix app to work. If your Netflix app works, but it actually doesn't play any TV, what you could do is that you can log into your Netflix account, and then here you want to click on Get Help, okay? You want to click on this Get Help button. And then from here, what you could do is that you could reload your Netflix, okay? So reloading the Netflix application will kind of like restart it. You could also sign in and out. So sign out of your Netflix account and then re-sign back in. But the last thing you can do is actually check your network, okay? So if we click on the check network button, you'll see that everything checks out. If you see an X in one of these locations right over here, it means that it's a connection problem. So what you'll have to do is that you'll have to unplug and then replug your router back in. And same thing applies when you unplug your router. You want to make sure that you unplug it for about a minute and then replug it back in. But as you can see, the network check is successful, meaning that my internet works just fine and getting Netflix to work. But I hope you found this video helpful, guys, in helping you fix Netflix not working on your Samsung TV. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.